Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sprout Social for social media, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Sprout Social and hit enter. Once the Sprout Social website appears, look for the Get Started or Start Free Trial button. Click on that button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After completing that, click on Sign Up. Next, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Sprout Social website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be guided through the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your social media accounts. You can link platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Make sure to grant all necessary permissions for Sprout Social to access your accounts. After connecting your accounts, explore the dashboard that appears. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features available. You can schedule posts, analyze performance, and engage with your audience. To schedule a post, click on the Compose button on the dashboard. Select the social media account you want to post to. Write your message and add any images or links as needed. Choose the date and time for the post to go live. Finally, click Schedule to confirm your post. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up Sprout Social for your social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.